Hey everyone, hope all are doing well. So this tutorial will give you a step-by-step instruction of making e-cultural book for your project. Kindly follow all the instructions carefully. First, make sure you have good internet connectivity because once you have started, you won't be able to hold it back. All you need is an email account that can be of your state school, educational institute or a simple one. Good internet connectivity and your energy. This project will enhance your imagination and creativity. Make sure to follow all the instructions carefully. We will be making this project on one of the user-friendly interface called Canva. It is handy, easy to use and vivid. Step 1. Log into your Gmail account. Click on Create a Design and choose Portrait Landscape. Now this is the main screen of your project. You're going to choose a color, the background color. It can be any. And from left panel, choose the heading. You can change the font size, color, and font itself according to your own choice. So this is the main page of your project or the photo book you want to make. Oops, I totally forgot how we are going to save our project. On the top, you can see I'm writing. Over there, you're going to add the name of your project or the photo book, anything which you're making. Later on, give another heading. It can be name of your culture. You can change the size, font, and even change the place of elements by dragging them. Now it's time to write the name of the author or the illustrator, such as you are the one who is making the book, so you are going to write your own name. Or if it's a group task, so write the names of your group members. Just duplicate the main page by clicking on the icon. Duplicating the page actually saves formatting time. So the first element we will be focusing on is food. Simply repeat the previous steps of adding and resizing the fonts. Now add the title and heading of the first page. You can apply various effects on the font. I love the glow effect, by the way. To change the background of canvas, scroll to the extreme left panel and click on the background. Select a picture from multiple backgrounds given already and you can change it afterwards as well. After this, start adding pictures. I googled images of food belongs to Punjabi culture and downloaded them. I love finding images from Pinterest.com as well. Make sure to download the image in a folder and give a suitable name to the folder so you can find it easily later on. Now the important step is how to add image in Canva. Again, scroll the extreme left panel and click on upload. After that, click on upload media. Multiple options will appear in front of you, such as device, Facebook, Instagram. You will click on device and find the folder in which you have saved the images. Select the image and click on open. Image will be added on the canvas. Resize and arrange the images accordingly. After adding 2 to 3 images, you will give the subtitle to the images. But I think the background is not appropriate. Image of the yummy and delicious food isn't prominent. So let me change the background of it. Add the subtitles and resize the images. Let's check how it appears if we present it. In the same way, add another page of festival. Repeats the steps of adding pictures and subtitles. Next, add another page of sports. Now, the most important step is to save your project as PDF file with its name. Click on the download and a drop-down window will appear. Select PDF file and save it. To turn your project into a booklet, write www.flipsnack.com in the URL bar. Click on Sign in with Google and add your official email ID. After that, click on Add PDF and choose the saved PDF file. Wait a little while till the progress bar uploads the file as soon as it appears. As soon it is uploaded, your ebook is ready to be published. On the top of right corner, click Save and Share. A window will appear for publishing your work. You can add the title of book and add description of it as well. And click on Publish. Tantana, your book is ready. Click the copy link and share the link of this book in Google Classroom along with the PDF file.